Hey buddy, what's going on? I need your help. I can't get the garage door open. Can you use your special powers? Whoa! You still got special powers. How do you do it? How'd you get these powers? What should we call you, doorman? Good job. Can you stop it halfway? Wow. How'd you do that? Whoa. You gotta make up your mind. Are you gonna open it or are you gonna close it? Uh-oh, I think you broke it. I think your special powers just crap the bed. What are we gonna do? Oh man. I guess we're gonna have to call the real doorman now. Super doorman didn't do it. Uh-oh.
Broken?
Yeah.
It's broken. So much for your superpowers. What do you have to say about yourself? What do you think, buddy? Whoa! Your powers are back! What's the deal? What do you think? We done?
Yeah.
Close the door.